Welcome to Milan, a city that breathes history, art, and design, yet holds so much more than meets the eye. Picture a cityscape where medieval architecture mingles with modern skyscrapers, where bustling markets echo with the chatter of locals and the scents of fresh produce. This is the unseen Milan, the city that exists beyond the fashion runways and design studios. Beneath its stylish exterior, Milan is a treasure trove of historical marvels. The Milan Cathedral, or Duomo di Milano, stands as a testament to centuries of architectural prowess. Not far from it, the Sforza Castle whispers tales of the city's intriguing past, its sturdy walls holding secrets of Milan's bygone eras. Yet Milan is not just a city rooted in its past. It thrives on its vibrant cultural scene, with art galleries, museums, and theatres dotting its urban landscape. The Pinacoteca di Brera beckons art enthusiasts with its extensive collection, while the Teatro alla Scala, one of the world's most renowned opera houses, offers a melodious escape from the city's hustle and bustle. In the heart of Milan, the culinary scene flourishes. From traditional trattorias serving up comforting Italian fare to modern eateries pushing the boundaries of fusion cuisine, the city's gastronomy is as diverse as its architecture. And let's not forget the bustling food markets, where locals and tourists alike gather to savor the flavors of Milan. Beyond the high-end boutiques and design showrooms of the Quadrilatero della Moda lies the charming Navigli district. Here, the city's lifeblood flows through its picturesque canals, bordered by quaint boutiques and vibrant cafes. The district's unique atmosphere is further enhanced by the stunning murals and street art that adorn its walls. Amidst the urban sprawl, Milan's green spaces offer tranquil escapes. Places like Parco Sempione and Giardini Pubblici serve as the city's lungs, providing respite from the constant hum of the metropolitan. As we delve deeper into the unseen Milan, we encounter local experiences that define the city's character. The aperitivo tradition, for instance, is an integral part of the Milanese lifestyle, where pre-dinner drinks are complemented by an array of delectable snacks. Get ready to uncover the hidden charms of this magnificent city. Our journey begins at the heart of the city, the Milan Cathedral, a symbol of faith and artistry. This breathtaking architectural masterpiece, adorned with thousands of statues and spires, took nearly 6 centuries to complete, a testament to Milan's enduring spirit. Just a stone's throw away is the imposing Sforza Castle, a historic fortress turned cultural hub. Within its robust walls, it houses some of the city's most important art collections, including works by the legendary Leonardo da Vinci. As we delve into Milan's historic grandeur, we're greeted by stories etched in stone and tales whispered through the ages. From the spectacular Milan Cathedral that dominates the city skyline to the Sforza Castle's grandeur, every corner of this city tells a tale of its glorious past. These historic marvels, each a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, stand as silent witnesses to Milan's rich past. And as we explore, we become part of its ongoing story, stitched into the fabric of this vibrant city. Now, we venture into the soul of Milan, its vibrant cultural hotspots. Immerse yourself in the city's artistic pulse, where every corner tells a story. Art galleries pepper the cityscape, each one a window into the world of the Italian masters. The Pinacoteca di Brera, for instance, is a treasure trove of timeless art, housing an impressive collection of Italian Renaissance masterpieces. Venture further into the city to discover museums teeming with history and culture. Each exhibit is a testament to Milan's rich heritage, a journey through time that is as enlightening as it is captivating. But the cultural exploration doesn't end there. Milan's theatres are a testament to the city's love for the performing arts. Teatro alla Scala, one of the world's most famous opera houses, is a must-visit. Here, the curtains rise to world-class performances that are sure to leave you enraptured. These cultural hotspots are the beating heart of Milan's artistic spirit. No journey is complete without a taste of local flavors. Let's embark on a gastronomic journey through Milan, a city known for its culinary delights as much as its fashion and design. Here, traditional trattorias serve up hearty Milanese dishes, while modern eateries push the boundaries of Italian cuisine. In the heart of the city, bustling food markets are a feast for the senses. Fresh produce, aromatic spices, and local specialties like panettone and risotto alla Milanese fill the air with tempting aromas. As we explore, let's not forget the coffee culture that thrives in the city's quaint cafes, where a morning espresso is more than a drink. It's a cherished ritual. And for those with a sweet tooth, the city's gelaterias offer a dizzying array of flavors, from classic vanilla to exotic fruits. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Milan's culinary scene promises an adventure for your taste buds. Savoring these flavors is like tasting the essence of Milan. Next, we step into the world of elegance and style, the Quadrilatero della Moda. This is Milan's fashion district, a beacon of high fashion and a playground for the fashion-conscious. Here, every street and alleyway is a catwalk, showcasing the latest trends and timeless classics. The district is a maze of high-end boutiques and design showrooms, each one a world of creativity and inspiration. From the intricate window displays of Gucci and Prada to the bold statement pieces of Versace, the Quadrilatero della Moda is an exhibition of the finest fashion has to offer. But it's not just about the global brands. Milan's fashion district is also home to a plethora of independent designers and emerging talents, their innovative designs adding a fresh vibe to the district's stylish streets. This is where fashion lives and breathes. It's where style is not just appreciated, it's celebrated. This fashion district is a testament to Milan's status as a global design hub. Now, let's uncover the hidden charms of Milan. Our journey takes us first to the enchanting Navigli district. Here, the city's past and present coalesce around a network of charming canals. This area is a delightful blend of old and new, with its quaint boutiques, chic cafes, and captivating street art, all contributing to a unique atmosphere that's distinctly Milanese. But Milan isn't just a city of stone and water, it's also a city of green. Amidst the urban sprawl, you'll find tranquil oases like Parco Sempione and Giardini Pubblici. These lush parks provide a breath of fresh air, a place to relax and recharge amidst the city's relentless pace. They are a testament to Milan's commitment to balance urban development with nature preservation. Next, let's delve into the heart of local experiences. One cannot truly understand Milan without partaking in the aperitivo tradition. Picture this. As the sun sets, you find yourself in a local bar, a glass of spritz in hand, and an array of complimentary snacks before you. This is more than just pre-dinner drinks. It's a cherished social ritual that encapsulates the essence of Milanese hospitality. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without acknowledging the city's vibrant street art scene. Neighborhoods like Isola and Porta Ticinese are adorned with colorful murals and graffiti that bring life to the city's walls. These artistic expressions add another layer to Milan's rich cultural fabric and serve as an open-air gallery for residents and visitors alike. These hidden charms, often overlooked in favor of the city's more famous attractions, are what truly make Milan special. They invite you to experience the city on a deeper level, to immerse yourself in its rhythm and spirit, and to see Milan through the eyes of those who call it home. These hidden charms are what truly make Milan a city of endless discovery. As we wrap up this journey, let's revisit the diverse facets of Milan we've explored. From the grandeur of the Milan Cathedral and Sforza Castle, we've traced the footsteps of history, admiring the architectural marvels that have withstood the test of time. We've soaked in the vibrant cultural scene with a visit to the esteemed Pinacoteca di Brera and the Teatro alla Scala, witnessing firsthand the city's love for the arts. Our taste buds have had a delightful journey as well, exploring Milan's culinary delights. From traditional trattorias to modern eateries and bustling food markets, we've sampled an array of mouth-watering dishes that define the city's gastronomic scene. We've walked through the fashion and design district, the Quadrilatero della Moda, getting a glimpse of Milan's status as a global fashion capital. The boutiques, design showrooms, and stylish streets have showcased the city's finesse and flair for style and design. Our journey took us to the charming Navigli district, where we savored the unique atmosphere of its boutique-lined canals and vibrant cafes. We took a breather in the green oases of Parco Sempione and Giardini Pubblici, reminding us of the tranquil escapes nestled within this bustling city. We've experienced local traditions such as the aperitivo and admired the vibrant murals and street art in neighborhoods like Isola and Porta Ticinese. Each experience has added a unique flavor to our journey, making it truly unforgettable. And for those of you who wish to extend your adventure, consider taking a day trip to the serene Lake Como or the historic city of Bergamo. These nearby destinations offer a splendid continuation of your Milanese journey, with their own charm and allure. So as we conclude this Milanese journey, remember each of these diverse facets, each of these experiences that make Milan more than just a city. It's a melting pot of history, culture, fashion, and gastronomy, a city that constantly evolves, yet remains deeply rooted in its rich past. Remember, Milan is not just a city, it's an experience waiting to be discovered.